Yo, knowledge, wisdom, peace, and love. This your boy B-Rail Ali Thunder. I'm gonna show you how to do portrait painting. You always gotta lay down your ground color, and then you have to get your sketch on. Whenever you see me looking at my phone, I'm actually studying the details of the person's face to see how I can break it down into basic shapes, basic adaptive shapes. Every person has their own foundation. Something may look like a triangle, a rectangle, a square. And you really have to point those parts out and then see how it specifically looks up against individual's face, and then compare those shapes together. Like the eye, once you get the shape of the eye, then you can like kind of contrast it with the shape of the nose. And then you begin to really bring out the three-dimensional form of the space. Like if you need to turn something, use the 3D form, kind of like how you make like a 3D box, in order to really bring that form out. You can see which part is facing left and right versus which part is coming forward, which parts are going backwards in a 3D face. Remember, we're going for a 3D type of presence. And one thing that you can really do with that is focus on your lights and your darks. Like the darks kind of fade back and the lights come forward. I usually start these portraits going with like a mid-tone, fade into the dark tones, and then I bring my light tones right back out. So it's a balancing thing, and the portrait is not finished until it's finished. Sometimes it takes only a little bit of more white in your paint or a little bit darker tone in order to make the portrait like really pop, into something that is really coming off the canvas. The best thing you could do for yourself in order to paint portraits is paint a lot of them over and over and over and over and over again. Get that muscle memory, and yeah.